Hello, and welcome to this tutorial to understand importer on record. To know the details of what importer on record is and the other associate details, you need to log into our website https://admin.bcompliance.in using the credentials that you had used to create an account, which would be your email address and the password. Once you have logged on to the website, you will come on the dashboard screen. Now, to know the further details about importer on record, click on cross-border service. You will see a new page comes up. On this page, you first need to select the country for which you need the importer on record service. Let's say in our case, we need it for the US of A. I make my choice and select the country. The moment I do that, a disclaimer pop up comes on your screen. Request you to please go ahead and read it thoroughly and carefully. And once you have done that, please click on the proceed button. Scroll down and you will see all the services pertaining to USFA on this page. The service name, requirement workflow, and how much time the service gets completed, frequently asked questions, and the sign off document. And at any point of time, if you need any help, you always have the option to hover over the email button or chat with us directly. For that matter of fact, if you need to share the details of a specific service with some office colleagues of yours, you can do that as well by clicking on the share button. Let's move ahead. Since we are talking about importer on record, just scroll down and there you go. You find the importer on record service. Click on the information button highlighted in I tab, and this will tell you what is the importer on record, what is the importer on record process flow, the respective fees and timelines, what are the various details required, and some key notes pertaining to what Stelcore's responsibility will be and what your responsibility will be. Again, at any point of time, if you need any help, do not hesitate to write to us at support@stelcore.in or WhatsApp at 969941877. Now that I have gone through these details, let me try and click on the apply here button. I click on apply here. The system is going to ask me and tell me what are the respective documents required for me to go through it, and I click on proceed. The moment I do that, it pops a different screen. The country, the service is by default chosen. Now I just need to enter my company's name. I enter my own name. I enter my email address and my mobile phone number. If I need the copy of these responses to be mailed to me or someone else in my office, I can choose this and do the needful by typing in the respective email address. Let's scroll down. The system is going to ask you for some details. Now, for you to understand what these mean, there is an I button next to, or I tab next to, information tab next to each of these subheadings. Origin country. Origin country is the country from which the shipment is dispatched. Okay, let's say I'm in India, I'm going to choose India. Destination country is already chosen because we chose this service for USFA. Currency. Okay, the currency in which the shipment invoice is generated, which is typically the destination market country. Yes, it is going to be USD. Who's my logistics carrier, my master airway bill number, the date of shipment. Feel free to go ahead and just hover over the respective I buttons, I tabs, and you will get the respective information. There will be some other pieces of information that will be required. You will be asked to choose the shipment status. Is it returned, delivered, in transit, partially delivered, bill of entry, and some declarations in terms of shipment is DDP, declared value of your invoice is correct, packaging and labeling of the product is in compliance, product is legally allowed to be sold at the destination market, The product certifications are available with the shipper, and the IOR agreement has been signed with Stelcore Group. In case if you do not have the IOR agreement signed, no worries. You can go ahead, go back on this screen, and click on the download button on the previous screen where you will get the agreement. Have a go through with that, sign it, stamp it, and send it to us, and then click on this. In case if you choose no, you will be asked to do the needful at a later stage. The system will also mention the kind of documents which are required. Now you have to choose the commercial invoice, the packaging list, and the airway bill slip. Please click on Browse, select the respective file from your computer, click on Upload. In total, you have to upload these three documents. Once you have done that, click on Submit, and our team of experts will be with you. They will reach out to you within 24 business hours in case there are any further questions, or for that matter of fact, any further details which are required. Now, coming back to this IR agreement, let's go back. See, on this screen, when you went on cross-border service and we chose USFA and the services came, we looked at the disclaimer. See here, apply here and sign off document. This sign off document is nothing but the engagement letter with Stelcore. All you need to do is click on this button and a new pop-up will open a different tab on your browser which will have the agreement. As I mentioned before, please go through it in detail, sign it, stamp it, and send it back to us. And we'll do the needful to ensure that you get your service in due course of time as promised. Again, for any help required, do not hesitate to reach out to us at any point of time using our email address support@stelcore.in, or for that matter of fact, chat with us using this window itself. There is an email button and there's a chat button, or you can even share this service and the details for further consumption with your respective team members or your other business partners. Thank you for your time, for watching this tutorial. Have a great day ahead.